Let's listen to some Karoo Prinia calls. Karoo langstertjie, ujiza in isiXhosa. Their distribution in southern Africa. They are found mainly in fynbos, coastal as well as montane shrublands and along drainage lines in the Karoo. This is where I found the Prinias featured in this video. This one was calling from a bush in the southern Karoo. And this one was warning of my presence as I walked past a bush it had been roosting in early one morning. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments down below.